What's the deal, y'all? Car Group back with another one. We at the shop today. Give you all a little update of what's been going on, really. Nothing too much. We got an update for y'all with the little nothing but J's Camaro. Fly fresh Camaro still sitting right here. We're about to be done with this one. We just gotta get a dry shaft measured up, and that's gonna be going to the Dry Shaft Pro soon. I don't know what the fuck happened to the oil pan, but yeah, so K member is gonna go up underneath that soon. Wheels back on and everything will be solid. Boom. And then I'll give y'all a little nothing but J's update when I get to the house. But yeah, y'all see that. Also see the bike is here. Ain't seen this in a minute. The 450. Let's see. Start right up. Got a couple things you gotta do. Gotta tighten the chain that's loose. So nothing but Jay's gonna get that tightened. You're gonna have new plastics. The new plastics is sitting over here somewhere right there. The box right there. It's gonna be a whole nother different looking bike. My bad for the interruption, but like I was saying, the new plastics is right there. Little nothing but J's is gonna be changing all the plastics, so it's gonna be looking like a whole new, brand new bike. I'll probably record the process for y'all so y'all can see it. But other than that, that's just keeping y'all in the loop of everything. In the video I'm going to post later today, it'll be just this update and a little drone footage of a weirdo watching the shop. So I don't know. That's what's been going on. If y'all haven't already, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to the page. Go ahead and subscribe, bro. It's free to subscribe. Go ahead and do that. Join the family. All right, check it out later. What's the deal, YouTube? We back later on at nighttime. Y'all see where we at. So, yeah, man. The radiator. See, I found out I do need my flash. Give me a second. Boom. Anyway, so the radiator's finna come out of here. Gonna do a radiator flush on it. And it's because the transmission on Little Nothing But J's car has went out. And we got like, shit, probably like 40 days until LS Fest. But we will be making it. I will be taking the transmission out this week. And y'all will be with me when I do that, so stay tuned for that. So this is the end of this video. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube. All LS stuff right now going on. So like, comment, and subscribe. Check it out next time. What's going, y'all? Car Group back with another one. So today I got a video for y'all of me just flying the drone since there ain't been too much going on at the shop. So yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video. For all the new people watching, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification so y'all know when I'm dropping new videos, and y'all know it's active performance for the win. Check y'all out later.
Got it straight up out the ground, all this energy surround me. All this fucking love, I can't even touch the ground. Got me floating past the clouds, man, I can feel the energy, I can feel the love. I can feel the love, got it straight up out the ground. All this energy surround me, all this fucking love, I can't even touch the ground. Got me floating past the clouds, man, I can feel the energy, I can feel the love, I can feel the love. Got it straight up out the ground. All this energy surround me, all this fucking love, I can't even touch the ground. Got me floating past the clouds, man, I can feel the energy, I can feel the love, I can feel the love. Got it straight up out the ground. All this energy surround me, all this fucking love, I can't even touch the ground. Got me floating past the clouds, man, I can feel the energy, I can feel the love, I can feel the love. Hit the DMT and blast off. What the fuck is NASA? You know I keep a rocket, I can launch you straight to pass like ain't no halftime. Is you ballin' or you not? Hit like 2, 3 at the buzzer, fuck the clock, no such thing as time. By your breathing, you can't slay the dragon, I'm a wizard. Why you tripping, you too attached, need to surrender. I need all the love, that's that shit I'm into. Energy horse for the vampires, I need a shield, a remedy or my aura stronger magnetic field. That cosmic love is so enticing, like David, I'm a copper field. Them copper rings, magnetic heels, I'm charged up to the max. Electric beam, my melanine, ain't no holding back. Can't nothing hold me back, know that I told you that. Can't nothing hold me back, tryna hold me down from my higher self. All my potential, I release you into the ethers. Take hold and take form. Got it straight up out the ground. All this energy surround me, all this fucking love, I can't even touch the ground. Got me floating past the clouds, man, I can feel the energy, I can feel the love, I can feel the love. Got it straight up out the ground. All this energy surround me, all this fucking love, I can't even touch the ground. Got me floating past the clouds, man, I can feel the energy, I can feel the love, I can feel the love. Crystals falling from the sky, it was a starry night when I freed my mind. How can you deny, then I turn the lights, let me free your mind. Crystals falling from the sky, it was a starry night when I freed my mind. How can you deny, then I turn the lights, let me free your mind.
Manifest, manifest, levitate, levitate. Knowledge master, we the best.
Low body can penetrate. Lot of broccoli keep my aura strong. Plant based, that's a flex. Smoke the broccoli, man, it's hella strong. Then I pass it to the left. Falling from the sky, it was a starry night when I freed my mind. How can you deny that I tell no lies? Let me free your mind. Crystals falling from the sky, it was a starry night when I freed my mind. How can you deny that I tell no lies? Let me free your mind. Crystals falling from the sky, it was a starry night when I freed my mind. How can you deny that I tell no lies? Let me free your mind. Crystals falling from the sky, it was a starry night when I freed my mind. How can you deny that I tell no lies? Let me free your mind. Manifest, manifest, levitate, levitate. Knowledge monsters, we the best. Low body can penetrate. Lot of broccoli keep my aura strong. Plant based, that's a flex. Smoke the broccoli, man, it's hella strong. Then I pass it to the left. Falling from the sky, it was a starry night when I freed my mind. How can you deny that I tell no lies? Let me free your mind. Crystals falling from the sky, it was a starry night when I freed my mind. How can you deny that I tell no lies? Let me free your mind. Crystals falling from the sky, it was a starry night when I freed my mind. How can you deny that I tell no lies? Let me free your mind. Crystals falling from the sky, it was a starry night when I freed my mind. How can you deny that I tell no lies? Let me free your mind. Manifest, manifest, levitate, levitate. Knowledge monsters, we the best. Low body can penetrate. Lot of broccoli keep my aura strong. Plant based, that's a flex. Smoke the broccoli, man, it's hella strong. Then I pass it to the left.
sky, it was a starry night when I freed my mind.